Thinking about buying your first home in Sarnia and not sure where to start? Don't worry, you're not alone and it's not as complicated as it may seem. I'm Hillary Ryan with the Blue Coast Realty team, and today I'm walking you through a simple step-by-step plan to help you buy your first home with confidence. Step 1 is getting pre-approved for a mortgage. This is key. It helps you understand what you can actually afford and shows sellers you're serious. A good mortgage advisor can also help you find first-time homebuyer incentives and could save you money. Step 2 is making a needs versus wants list. Think about what you absolutely need in a home, like the number of bedrooms or being close to work or schools. And then what would be a bonus, like a big kitchen or a big backyard. This helps you get focused during your search. Step 3 is teaming up with a local realtor. That's where I come in. Having someone who knows the Sarnia-Lambton market inside and out is a game changer. I can help you find the right neighborhood, compare homes, and make smart decisions throughout the process. Step 4 is the fun part, house hunting. Once we've locked in your budget and your needs, we'll start touring homes and narrowing down the best options. I'll also keep an eye out for any new listings that match your goals. Step 5, making an offer. When you find the right home, I'll help you put together a strong, well-structured offer and walk you through the terms, conditions, and negotiations. Then we move into step 6, your home inspection and final mortgage approval. This is where we double check that everything is in good shape and work with your lender to finalize the financing. And finally, step 7, closing day. That's when the home officially becomes yours and you get the keys. And with the Blue Coast Realty team, we even offer a complimentary moving truck to help make that even smoother. Buying your first home doesn't have to feel overwhelming. With the right plan and the right support, it can actually be exciting and empowering. If you're ready to start your journey or just want to chat about the process and how it might look for you, I'd love to help. Reach out anytime, and I'm here when you're ready.